Hey everybody, welcome to Life Sunny Lee. And this week we're working on cleaning the bathroom. So this is like week 20, what is this? It's week 24. And we're cleaning the bathroom. And first thing you're going to do is we're going to get rid of and organize and go through all the bathtub toys and bathroom toys if you have kids. Clean them up, repair or replace those that are damaged. If they have water inside of them and that water looks kind of yucky, you know, like it's got mold inside of it, get rid of it and buy a new one if your kids need it. So we're going to declutter and organize all the bathroom toys first. And then we're going to work on the sink. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get all the clutter off of this sink. We're going to clean it really well and disinfect it. That's what we're going to do first. And we're going to do this in each of the bathrooms. And like I have like 3 different bathrooms to do. But today I'm concentrating on the downstairs bath. So first thing I'm going to do is take everything off the counter. Alright, I got the counter cleaned off and then I've sprayed it down with Clean Freak. You can use whatever you want to clean, but I find that this works fine with me. I sprayed it down really well and I'm going to leave it set for a while. And while that's setting, I'm going to clean the cabinet underneath of the sink. And I've cleaned this not too long ago, so it's not too messy. But a lot of this stuff that's out here actually belongs underneath there. So I need to straighten it up and get it where it belongs. Okay, by decluttering and organizing under the counter, I got rid of most of the stuff that was on top of the counter that actually belonged under the counter. And there's a lot of stuff there, but it's organized. All the pet stuff is over there in the corner, followed by the disinfecting, followed by the cleaning stuff, and then this is more cleaning and first aid. And over here, I have these little baskets, and they contain different things like first aid, more first aid, and hair stuff in the back. So everything is organized. You just pull out the little basket that you need. So we got all that done while you're waiting for the counter to clean. And I also started cleaning the toilet. And that's set. So now we're going to wipe down the counter, get it all clean, and put stuff back. If your vanity has drawers, you need to declutter them. Make sure that you have those organized. I got first aid that we use a lot up here. The excess is down there. And then over here is for the towels and the wash rags. Now, this sink, when I first got it, the guy asked me if I wanted to lean forward or backwards. And I had no idea at all. So I told him I wanted the water going back that way. I think that was a mistake. I should have had it go this way because the water pools back here and leaves hard water stains. I bought this thinking that would help because you put it around the faucet and that helped with the water going that way, but it all collected here and now I have these hard water stains that I'm going to have to get some vinegar and just put it on a rag and leave it soak for a long time. And I'm not going to use this anymore. It just didn't do what I wanted it to do. It did what I wanted it to do, but like I said, the water pooled underneath of it, and that made for a worse mess because I didn't see it, so I didn't realize I had to clean it up. I thought it was going to keep water. It's supposed to drain. See how these little drains? It's supposed to drain back into the sink. Instead, it went under. So anyway, that did not work. Would not recommend these. I got these off Amazon. I would not recommend them. So this bathroom is pretty much done. Don't forget to clean any artwork that you have, your mirrors, and your toilet. And this is only a half bath, so I don't have the tub yet to do. And then we're going to declutter and clean the bathtub and the shower area. So we're going to take everything off, we're going to clean it really well, and then we're going to declutter it. Okay, that takes care of what we're going to be working on this week. So hopefully you're following along. Hopefully you're still decluttering and clean. And stay tuned and see what we're going to do next week. We're still going to be working in the bathroom, but checking out and see what we're going to be doing. So remember, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.